Hello everybody, today we're going to unbox, take a close-up look and test the Brabantia newIcon pedal bin. So let's first take a look around the outside of the box. So this Brabantia pedal waste bin is in white and with a 30 litre capacity or size. It's also available in 24 other colours as well as sizes ranging from 3 litres all the way up to this 30 litre beast right here. So now let's go ahead and open up the box by, of course, cutting apart the label that's holding the box flap together. Do that just one more time to make sure that I'm actually cutting through the top properly. And it looks like I may have to rip the box lid up right there and popping it open and giving you a look inside from the top of the box packaging. And now I'm just going to pop the packaging material out. And of course being very careful here just to show you once again now the top of the bin with a protective foam on it, and lifting the pedal waste bin out from its box, and of course just to show you on the inside, always making sure that we remove everything just in case there's any material, accessories or documentation tucked under there. So as you can see, in this case there is nothing underneath or inside or beneath the tray. So now we set the bin to the side, so just going to set it right there, and now giving you that look at the bin right now as it stands with the plastic wrapper and plastic packaging right there. So it's about 68 centimeters high or tall. Let's go ahead and remove the packaging out from the bin, so you can see that there is some protective foam that's protecting the bin. Of course that's now removed, and let's slide the plastic down, and being very careful here, this being a metal bin, it is prone to dents and marks right there. And of course we have to be safe to make sure that we dispose of the clear plastic wrapper safely and keeping it away from children or toddlers. So once again, so this is the Brabantia newIcon pedal bin in the 30 litre size and in white. So it's also available, as I mentioned, in 24 other colours and sizes starting from 3 litres. So this is the very top of the size chain, being a 30 litre version. So it does have a 10-year guarantee, and of course a non-slip base as well, which is quite important. So giving you that close-up look right there at the base. So non-slip for maximum stability, because the last thing you want is for the bin to be sliding around as you step on the pedal to open its lid. So it does have a soft close lid as well, which is good to see or good to have. So let's step on the pedal, but before that, just going to show you the travel of the pedal right there, so at least you have some sense of the effort that's required, at least in terms of putting your foot down on it. I'm just going to give you a side view right there. Always tricky when the camcorder viewfinder is in the reverse position. So right there, hopefully a good look right there. And of course giving you a look at that label as well if I can. Right there, if you can see that label right there. So it does have a cradle to cradle certification, being very environmentally conscious in design and materials, of course, and giving you a look at the back of the bin. So this white bin does have a slightly very faint off-white color. So I'm just going to rotate the bin very slowly in various positions so you have a good idea of the overall shape, depth, and of course the height and circumference to the entire aspect and design of this pedal waste bin. So right there, and there is actually on the hinge right there, there is a Brabantia branding right there at the matte finish of the hinge, the plastic hinge holding the lid together to its base. So right there, giving you a nice good look to the bin. Of course, I'm going to stand to one side in just a moment. So you have a nice good look, and of course there is another bit of Brabantia branding right there on the rim of the base or main body of the pedal bin. Okay, so now let's go ahead and of course step on the pedal to see the lid open up. So it doesn't require very much effort at all. And it does have a soft close feature right there, or soft closure. Very nice to see. Once again, stepping very quickly. So if I pump it down, you can see that lid popping up with very much vigor right there. However, stepping very gently, doesn't require any effort at all. As you can see, right there. And pressing down again. And with my foot down, the lid stays open. And let's see what happens if we do a partial hold right there. It does stay at the respective position depending on your foot position on the pedal. So right there, once again, I'm going to let it drop very quietly or gently. So nice soft closure right there. No slamming at all. And of course there is some packaging material right here. Just going to remove that card packaging from the underside of the bin lid. So lovely soft close there, always very nice to have. And looking inside the bin, there is some material there, being very gentle right there, to rest the bin down. I'm not sure how well you can see into the bin, just to show you the depth. It does have some stuff in there right now. So let's remove it from the bin. So just to show you, we do have, setting the bin at another position right there, and giving you a look at what we've just removed from inside the inner plastic bucket of the bin. So some details to register the Brabantia newIcon pedal bin, as well as what appears to be a sample bag. Let's see, let's go this way if I can. A sample bag of extra strong bags to be used with the pedal bin. So it's nice to see they've included some bags, some waste bags or rubbish bags designed to be used with this Brabantia newIcon 30 litre pedal bin, so that we can start using the bin pretty much straight away. So just going to set that bag down. and just a quick look to this register your product booklet right here. Having a quick look. Okay, so it folds out into 9 different individual panels in various languages, so front as well as back. Okay. I'm going to set that down as well, so you have a good overall view of the whole Brabantia newIcon pedal bins unboxing. It's right there. Nice good look all around once again, and of course a straight on view as well. And once again, let's open the bin this time around with my pinky to show how much or how little effort it requires to open that lid right there with the soft close coming down. So it takes about 3 seconds for the bin to lower and shut from a fully open position. Let's take a look, very importantly, at the hinge position as to when the bin lid opens, because it's always very crucial to know when it comes to the positioning of your waste bin. So let's do that again. So that will give you a good sense or idea of how much space you need to leave for your bin to properly operate without any interference. And there we go. And with a quick pump, of course, it opens very, very quickly and quite strong as well. And lastly, one thing we can do is to take out the inner plastic bin. So it does have a removable inner bin right here, and it does once again have that Brabantia branding. So a glossy Brabantia branding against a matte finish of the inner removable plastic bin. So once again, just going to shift the items to the side so we can make sure that everything is in clear view for your viewing and educational needs or reference purposes. So right there, Brabantia, and you can see right round so this bin from the base side, some plastic finishing right there, giving you that all-round look, and of course once again reminding you that it is a Brabantia product. Okay, so let's get it in the right position right there. So a nice good all-round look at the Brabantia newIcon pedal bin. And lastly, one more thing, just to show you the inner workings right there. So you can see that the inner bucket does fit in a certain position with those grooves or wedges, and of course showing you the inner workings to the opening mechanism as well, to the bin lid with its soft close. And there's also nice to see that there's also a label right there just to show you the size or capacity of the bags and bin that works with this Brabantia pedal bin. So overall, a very, very light bin made out of metal with a powder coated white finish, also available in 24 other colors and starting from as little as a 3 litre size, this being the 30 litre version. Okay, let's pop this Brabantia inner plastic bin, back inside, right there. And actually it doesn't have a specific locking position, it just goes in any position into the bin right there. So my misinformation there, earlier mentioning the grooves inside the bin, thinking that it fits with that inner bucket to a certain position, but it doesn't. It goes in pretty freely, and you can see always being mindful that you position the lid away from the back or sides of a wall, right there. So that's the Brabantia newIcon pedal bin. Thanks for watching and happy binning!